Hello my people, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers please subscribe, and for the returning subscribers please like, leave a comment and share the link. On the big story of the day, who is the gospel music chairman in Kenya? Is it Alex Apoko aka Ringtone or Guardian Angel? 3 years back, in an interview with NTV, the controversial gospel music artist Ringtone claimed that God ordained him to be the chairman of gospel industry, and he wants to use this opportunity in the industry to make sure that gospel music in Kenya tops in East Africa. The singer furthermore made a video post of himself on Facebook saying that he is the chairman of the gospel music in East Africa. Another gospel singer, Peter Omwaka aka Guardian Angel, claimed to be the chairman of gospel music in Kenya. The two celebrities have had their differences regarding this self-proclaimed position in the Kenyan music industry, extending their differences to the various internet platforms. 2 years ago, the proclaimed chairman of gospel music, Ringtone Apoko, took the internet by storm after sharing a video full of threats. From the video, he was talking about gospel musician Guardian Angel and his wife Esther Musila. Ringtone accused Guardian Angel of pretending to be a gospel artist. He also threatened to reveal the secrets that Guardian Angel, the dancehall and Afro-rap gospel musician, had been hiding. People are not pleased by Ringtone's threats and trolled him for his words. A month ago, an online influencer and personality, Kasipul, stressed that the new chairman of gospel music industry is Guardian Angel. During an interview with YouTubers, Kasipul said that Ringtone should be suspended from this position due to the insult he has been pouring on social media. In another YouTube interview with Shiko from Eve Mungai, Kasipul justified his support for Guardian Angel when he compared the two artists to come up with a conclusion on Guardian as the chairman of Kenyan gospel music. In his statement, Kasipul stated that the two gospel singers are his good friends, but he has to give credit to who it is due. He added that Ringtone had some shortfalls in the industry and lacked hospitality when it comes to reception of visitors at his place. Having been at his place a given number of times, according to Kasipul, Guardian Angel is far much better than Ringtone in so many dimensions. Kasipul mentioned that Ringtone had no, in quotes, first lady in his house, making him not worthy of being chairman of gospel music. Now, what's your take on this battle for supremacy in the gospel industry? Is it worth it? And who is the chairman of the gospel music in Kenya? Ringtone or Guardian? Food of thought. Please leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me who you think is the chairman of gospel music in Kenya, considering we have a long list of gospel artists. Thank you for your continued support. Expect more news as soon as they break. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. So far, we are at 276 subscribers. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed, and remember to turn on notification bell for the latest videos. More videos coming. Goodbye for now.
Ngenza kusange wa haji subhanallah agohati wallah malengo kwekeyo jebata kusange wala oba mfone echambe akukwata kera nyombe umusanjo wango nolume we walofone deme subhanallah agohati wallah malengo kwekeyo jebata kusange wala Subhanallah, agohati wallahi malengo kwekeyo nje batakusange wala ngeza kusange wahaji bateto linamba ngeza kusange wahaji bateto linamba Nebowa mchala muto tosikanyongo sikoza uo omugole bakule simuto mutoza lenga bakosayo wallahi ya Mungu hajole nkwasane mundu kanwana ufunde biwundo kanwana nabo wabibyula bisambi muri myusa bimwe byula ngenza kusange wa haji subhanallah